Good morning, viewers. In this series of quality of life improvement effort, today we are going to share about structural support in life. Now, what is structural support in life? Let us think of for a moment of a building. What is the support for a particular building? It is the foundation of that building on which it is standing, it is stable, and it continues to stay like that. So, in that direction, if we link up this concept with ourselves, our support comes from spine in our body. Spine is the bone structure which supports our whole system. If it is strong, we feel emotionally supported, we feel emotionally balanced, and we can move ahead in life the way we want. It has been seen that the persons who are unwell, may be unwell emotionally, they have some problem or they have some issues related to their spines. It has been medically proved that if proper attention is given to the spine, we can feel better supported. It can be by provision of better minerals, vitamins, food, quality food. Just try this concept and you will feel the difference in life.
Good morning. People come to us with lots and lots of pains in the bones, in the muscles, arthritis, which has taken its toll on their body, and osteoporosis. All these patients, when you talk to them emotionally, they'll tell you that in their childhood, they lost a very near person who was supporting them, the whole family, or they had setbacks in their business, and these children were listening to whatever was going on in the house, or their parents had disagreements or even separations. So these children were psychologically always thinking of lack of support, and physiologically this history comes in the form of more of excretion of minerals from the body than the absorption. Thus the bones lose their density, lose their strength, and the person becomes prone to all these problems, even multiple fractures, coming again and again. So the first thing is to psychologically heal the person by downloading lots of confidence, removing his fears of failures, fears and doubts, and downloading success, confidence, abundance. When the person, and this has to be done repeatedly because the person doesn't take it once, the subconscious does not accept it at once because it is so used to thinking negative all the time. It is so used to being insecure. And of course, this has to be supplemented with supplements of minerals and vitamin C. Vitamin C is needed to absorb the minerals in the body in a better way. But these people, if not supported psychologically, if not worked on, do not accept the absorption of these minerals that easily. So that kind of support is needed to heal these problems. We are in a way telling you the psychology playing a major role in the physical problems people face.
Let me share here a beautiful and very, very simple example which we all are aware. In TV, in various radio advertisements, we always hear that pan masala is bad for health. Right? But do we know that maximum people who eat this pan masala, who are this category of people who buy from these pan walas or road shop vendors? I did some research on this subject and I noticed more than 80 to 90% of the people are the persons who stay away from their families, may come here for work. Now what happens when you are away from the family? You do not have that emotional support with you, right? When you wish to go back home, your empty room stares at you. So what is happening here in the biological and psychological concept? You just pick up a pouch and start chewing your pan masala. You know what that pan masala is providing? It is providing some of the minerals, calcium, magnesium, in the form of the leaves. Now what this calcium and magnesium is doing? It is the mineral. So that is the lack of the minerals inviting you or making you crave for the pan masala. In fact, it is the deficiency of emotional support in you which makes you crave for this product, which is not good for health. The point we are here sharing, I'm not here to advertise or not advertise about this product. But what we wish to share here is the root cause which can help us avoid these habits and maybe improve that or avoid that habit of taking this product and maybe get the supplements in the right doses by the doctors. Now, somebody can say, does it replace the emotional support requirement? No, my dear, no. It is just a temporary solution. The emotional support which you get from your loved ones, that balances your body chemical needs. Where it is more, it drains out. Where it is required, it is supplemented.
Now, with this, we can conclude that the addiction to such things can be worked on psychologically by giving that support to the children, the youngsters, and making them feel important. We all can contribute a lot into this society by telling people all this, and this can help a lot. Thank you.
Thank you very much.